Have you ever had just such a stressful or bad day where you don't know what to do about it? How I get over it is that I draw while listening to music. These are some of my drawings and how I get through some of my bad and even good days. For example, the ones that I color or shade in are on days where I do have some problems and I want to take more time to think about them. While on the other hand, the ones that I just draw the outline of are on days where I don't have much problems and I just want to record my happiness. Art therapy is one of the most effective ways to release stress. It doesn't only work with mental problems or cancer patients, but simply just to express your feelings, or if you're like me, having a bad day. For example, you can paint your feelings onto a blank piece of paper, expressing things with the way you draw or the colors you choose. According to an art therapist, Brianna MAK, who have done a test on multiple patients who have tried a long-term art therapy course. These patients have been showing their worries and insecurities through their artwork, not only benefiting the patients themselves, but also helping the therapist or doctor better understand how to support or guide these patients. These patients have also said that they feel happier or that they have thought through their problems during this time and found a solution to it. For example, Cleveland Clinic did a documentary about art therapy, and the patient who was diagnosed with cancer decided to try it out. She said that it really helped her a lot. It got her out of the zone of always thinking of her sickness. Instead, it got her into the zone of expressing herself through art and making her happier. Studies show that you will encounter stress every day, and it will bring your mood down. But if more people use art therapy, there could be a decrease of mental health problems due to stress. Here is the use of art therapy. These are different patients who have used art therapy, and the blue is before they have started art therapy, and their stress levels are pretty high. But after they have started art therapy, which is the red, as you can see, it has decreased quite a lot. Lorraine Wichtowski, a community health educator at the University of Rochester, studied the benefits of art therapy. And she said that art can be the most beneficial to everyone, since not everyone can be good with words or language, but everyone can try to express themselves through art. No matter which country you are from or whether you can speak well or not, art therapy can be a choice for you. Just as Fred R. Barnard said, "A picture is worth 1,000 words." Art should be started when you are a child because it could help teachers and parents better know how to guide you. For example, it can also help improve concentration and communication. And it can also help kids with ADHD get better and know how to focus more in class and communicate with other students. Many people may think that art therapy is a lot of trouble, or because you have to get out a lot of things, for example, paints, pencils, erasers, paper, etc., or that it's just a waste of time. But take me as an example. Every Friday, I have to go to art class. Sometimes, to me, it seems pretty boring because it's just me sitting there for 3 hours doing nothing but drawing. But what I find is that I have spent some quality time with myself, thinking of my day, some problems that I have at school, and finding solutions to it, also revising on my day and know where I can improve. So in conclusion, if you suffer from stress or problems, you can take art therapy into a consideration. You can also encourage other people to use art therapy, since not everyone can be good with words or language, but everyone can at least try to express themselves through art. Just as Pablo Picasso says, art washes away the soul, the dust of everyday life. Thank you for listening to my TED Talk.